In this question, we are given that x is binomially distributed with parameters 50 and p. We have the null hypothesis p equals 0.3 and the alternate hypothesis p does not equal 0.3. For the first part, we have to find the critical region for the test using a 10% significance level. Then, we have to write down the actual significance level. Here we have a two-tailed binomial hypothesis test. So let's go to the distribution application. We have a binomial distribution. The way we will approach this question is to deal with the lower tail and the upper tail separately. Now, we need to recognize that we have a 10% significance level with a two-tail test. So at either end, we have 5%. So let's deal with the lower tail. For the lower tail, we have x is less than or equal to. We will leave x as 0, num trial that is 50, and p is 0.3. Let us change this to 5%. Our calculator gives us values where we accept h0. And because we have a lower tail test, we need to subtract 1 from this. 1 less than 10 is 9. And now you can see this value of 0.04 etc. is less than 5%. So the probability that x is less than or equal to 9 is 0.04 etc. Let's now deal with the upper test. If I press the tools key, then the second option for tail, for the upper tail, we need to select the third option. And again, we change this to 5%. Now, our calculator gives us values where we accept h0, and because we are in the upper tail, we need to do one more than this 20, which is 21. And now you can see this 0.04 etc. is less than 5%. So we have the probability that x is greater than or equal to 21 is 0.0477 etc. So therefore, for the critical region, we have x is less than or equal to 9, or x is greater than or equal to 21. And for the actual significance level, we need to add together the 0.040 with the 0.047. And adding these together, the actual significance level is 0.088, etc.